Hey guys, welcome to the video. In this video, I actually got this tube clamp from Telesin, and I actually got one of this a couple of weeks ago, and that didn't turn out well. The first time I actually took it out to the trail, it slipped everywhere, caused damage to the bike paint, and yeah, it was a disaster. Hopefully this will be a little bit better. So first of all, this is actually in a much bigger package than the other one, and I believe this one actually has a little bit more stuff with it. Now the other one was actually just a 1/4 inch screw. This one actually comes with a GoPro mount too. Good packaging, check that out. It's neatly organized in its own space. This is pretty cool. I think the other one is probably just drop shipped because that one it just came in a generic packaging, but this one has its own brand, and everything is branded, everything is made for itself, so that's kind of good. There's nothing else in the packaging there. Let's actually go through what we got here. So first of all, this is the clamp. We got good, I think these are aluminum. It's pretty lightweight, so I don't think these are steel, but very solid. And then we got this inner thing. Maybe this would just add more traction, or like even skinnier bar, just to close the gap. See that? So you got a good amount of range with that, and this handle is not plastic, so I think that's gonna last for a while. And then we got this one here. This is actually plastic. This might just be the GoPro pin. This is the GoPro pin, so it doesn't actually have to be strong. And remember, we're trying to keep the weight down. I believe, is this plastic? I'm confused. Yeah, this is plastic. Okay, good plastic. Don't know about the quality of this. Obviously we're gonna have to go hit the trail to actually see the full potential of this thing. But the other one was actually metal. So sometimes what happens is some parts of some things aren't good, and then some are good. So sometimes I even mismatch things from a set, like something I did with the lights, and one of the lights were good, but then the tripod was terrible that holds the light. So I kind of switched it, and then I gave away the other light that I didn't like to somebody else. So you could definitely play with that and get around that. I believe, can't even tell. Yeah, these seems like they're aluminum. This whole thing that's going to be holding the balls is plastic, so I'm not sure how long this is going to last without cracking. But one thing that I really like is the balls have a rubber o-ring here, and this is basically going to help us stay planted to the position that we want this to be. I do use my GoPro, but it always mounts to my chest or my chin, or helmet and that kind of stuff. So I don't really use my GoPro on the pole, so we won't need this. But this one actually doesn't have an o-ring. You don't really need it because GoPros are pretty small, and they pretty much don't need anything, honestly. And also, people don't really put it on a pole. So my biggest problem was actually the pole. The pole was so long that it kind of weighed everything down, and clamp couldn't hold it. So this part seems very strong. I think maybe the plastic actually helped, I'm not sure. But then you also have to think about weight and everything. Like you could go heavy on a motorcycle, that's okay, but when you're mountain biking and stuff, I don't think heavy is a good idea. So I think this is looking very promising. We'll have to check this out on the trail. Whatever update it is, you guys will see it in the description, so don't miss that. I'm actually going to be using this key. I kind of like longer key because you get more leverage and it's out of the way and everything. So I'll probably be using this a lot. And yeah, that's about it for this video. If you have any questions about this product, let me know in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.